Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you in advance for watching this presentation. We are from Group 2. Let us introduce ourselves. I am Rika Yuliana with student ID 296 and my partner Erza Vinda Fitra with student ID 494. In this presentation, we will discuss about leadership competence. First, I will explain to you about what is a leader. 1. Leader is the ability to influence the behavior of other people or group toward the achievement of organizational goal. According to Paul Hersey in the situational leader. 2. Leader is the ability to decide what to do and get others to do it. According to Dwight Allen Sauer. What is a competence? Competence is the work ability of each individual which include aspects of knowledge, skill, and work attitude in accordance with the expected standardization. So, leadership competence is an ability possessed by a leader to perform a task or job based on knowledge, skill, and work attitude in accordance with the performance required by a leader. Competencies that a leader must have. First, decisive decision making. A successful leader makes a lot of decisions and are not fickle. A leader must be swift in choosing a decision and be responsible for that choice. The people being led need certainty and firmness in making decisions. Second, high integrity. An honest and truthful leader will increase the moral and overall performance of the followers they lead. The people they lead will be committed, loyal, and respectful to a true leader. Third, visionary. This is one of the most important qualities that distinguish a leader from a follower. Leader must be able to project a foresight, provide motivation and purpose to move forward together, and show the way from his vision so that his followers do not get lost. Fourth, persistent. Leaders who succeed in bringing about change and progress are those who never give up. Even so, good leaders also remain flexible and not rigid in pursuing the achievement of goals with persistence. And last, expert. A leader is a superior person able to negotiate and communicative, can influence others as well as persuasion expert. The main skill of a leader is synergize the various abilities of its member and processing various existing resources. With these 5 core competencies, a leader will have the capital to provide success to the organization he leads. However, one thing that a competent leader needs to keep in mind, to always remain humble, not arrogant, and remain modest. Competency types. First, planning competencies associated with specific actions such as setting goals, assessing risk, and developing a sequence of action to achieve goal. Second, influence competence associated with action such as having an impact on others, forcing certain action or making certain decision, and inspiring people to work toward organizational goal. Third, communication competence in the form of the ability to speak, listen to others, written and non-verbal communication. Fourth, interpersonal competence include empathy, consensus building, networking, persuasion, negotiation, diplomacy, conflict management, respecting others, and being a team player. 5. Thinking competence relate to strategic thinking, analytical thinking, commit to action, requires cognitive abilities, identifies late, and generate creative ideas. And the ninth, 6. Organizational competence include the ability to plan work, organize resources, get work, measure progress, and take calculate risk. 7. Human resource competence is the ability in the field of team building, encourage participation, developing talent, seeking performance feedback, and respecting diversity. 8. Leadership competence is a competency that includes skill in positioning oneself, organizational development, managing transition, strategic orientation, building a vision, planning for the future, mastering change, and pioneering workplace health. 9. Service competence is a competency in the form of identifying and analyzing customer, service orientation and delivery, working with customer, following up with customer, building partnership, and being committed to quality. And the last, business competence is a competency that includes financial management, business decision-making skill, working in system, using business acumen, making business decision, and generating income. And the next slide will be delivered Erja Vinda Fitra. The time is yours.
Okay, thank you Rika. This slide about competency characteristic. Competency is formed from 5 characteristics, namely with regards to motive, character, self-concept, knowledge, and skill. Okay, the first, motive. Motive is an employee's self-image about something that is thought or desired and becomes the impetus to take action so that the intended desire can be fulfilled. Second, character. Character is mental characteristic of employees and consistency of response to stimuli, pressure, situations, and information. Third, self-concept. Self-concept is a description of the attitudes, values, and self-image of the work, task, or position he faces to be realized through his effort. Fourth, knowledge. Knowledge is employee ability that is formed from the information it receives. And the last, skills. Skills, the employee's ability to perform physical or mental tasks. Okay, the next slide about competent and professional leaders must be able to demonstrate the following characteristics. 1. Able to carry out his duties and work as an organizational leader. 2. Have in-depth knowledge of the duties and jobs in which they are assigned. 3. Mastering leadership techniques in completing tasks and work effectively and efficiently. 4. Understand the standard and procedure of duties and work as a leader. 5. Have high endurance and consistency in carrying out their duties. And 6. Have the ability, influence, and power recognized by employees. Implementation of competence in leadership at PT Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk in various groups. PT Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk is a company that produces various types of food and beverage. Here, I will discuss how the competencies positioned by the leaders of PT Indofood Sukses Makmur Tbk in various groups. The first from the main director is Anthony Salim. Based on the 2020 annual report, it was written that the president director, who is also the board of directors, has success in realizing his commitment to ensure the safety of every individual and continuing to achieve profitability growth in a year full of challenge at the time is 2020. The President Director has become a clear example of the application of a culture in providing the best service where employees continue to show resilience, agility, and the ability to adapt in challenging conditions. So it can be concluded that this main director has leadership competence based on what he has achieved and can set a good example for his employees, so that the competencies processed by the main director are almost all of them from making decisions to expert. Okay, the first group, consumer branded product leadership competencies. This consumer branded product produce instant noodles, dairy, snack, food, seasoning, nutrition, and special foods and beverages. Leaders can make the CBP group adapt quickly to change that occur in the market, supported by the strength of product brands, the robustness of the integrated business model, and the reliability of the distribution network. Thanks to the competency of the leader, CBP Group has success in achieving sales and profitability growth for 10 years in a row since its initial public offering in 2010. So, this section of CBL has expert competency in how to adapt to market conditions. Okay, the next group is Bogosari Leadership Competency. Bogosari produce wheat flour with the largest integrity in Indonesia. In this leadership competency, the Bogosari leader has managed to maintain his market leadership throughout 2020 through various competitive advantage, including a diverse portfolio with consistent and quality products, supported by strong and differentiated brand equity. This supports Bogosari to quickly serve various needs and market segments with products that vary in format and size. It can be seen here that the leader has persistent and expert competence. Okay, the last group is agribusiness leadership competencies. This agribusiness consists of plantation division, vegetable oil and fats division. The leader in the agribusiness group was successful throughout 2020 with extensive productivity and cost efficiency initiative implemented across plantation and mills to reduce operating costs. This includes, among other efforts, to regulate labor recruitment, efficient fertilization activities through nutritional analysis by R&D, preventive maintenance of equipment, harvesting mechanism, fertilization and other manual activities, as well as shifting to more economical energy source. The leader in this group has visionary competence. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, please write your question in discussion at Sunan. Okay, I am Eriza Vinda Fitra and my partner Rika Juliana. Say thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.